Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Education Get Easier with ZAINI. Today my topic is related to Pakistan national flag and I will tell you some interesting facts about the crescent, star and two colors of the flag. So stay tuned till the end because something that should be close to your heart is your national flag. Fact number 1. Do you know that Sir Hafeez Jalandhari had also used the word flag in national anthem and its significance? The words are پرچم ستارہ و ہلال رہبر ترقی و کمال. These means the flag with the crescent and the star leads the way to progress and perfection. Fact number 2. Do you know we have two colors in flag? The one is green and other one is white. Basically green denote Muslim country and Muslim majority and white denote peace and non-Muslim like Hindu and Christians, and they have equal rights like Muslims in the country. Fact number 3. Do you know what actually crescent means? Let me educate you. Hilal means the moon will soon increase, so the country will prosper and success leads them to skies. Fact number 4. Last but not the least, the star. The main point of view is that it has 5 corners which represent 5 rukuns of Islam and to follow them are must. So this is all. If you like, please do subscribe my channel to get educated by Education Get Easier with ZAINI. Allah Hafeez.